Okay guys, what's up? It's Pete back here today, and we're gonna play Ashford 9. So it's been some time since I've done this kind of talking video, and you guys have been enjoying the more silent videos, short and silent, so I'm happy with that. So the reason I'm doing this kind of videos today is basically we're gonna try to unlock two cars, and I'm gonna try to unlock the Rigera and the Tuatara, two S-Class cars. So I have around 25,760 tokens. So today tokens are gonna go, and I'm hoping that I get the cars. Okay, I don't know whether I will get it or not, but definitely I'll try. And before we continue, please make sure to click the subscribe button and show your support. You guys have been showing me a lot of support, so keep supporting, okay? So let's go. So my target here is to get the cars. So these two packs. Now before I begin, let me see if I can unlock the Rigera or not first, because I don't know how many blueprints I have of it. Where's the Rigera? 21 blueprints. So even assuming that I get 15 on each, I don't think we can unlock the Rigera. Okay, so anyways, let's not unlock the Rigera, but we'll do something else. Let's try the Tuatara first. So SSC Tuatara blueprint guaranteed. So I'm gonna buy 10 first, obviously. So it's 1,200 cost. Normally it's 750. Come on, right? Okay, so costs have been increasing. Okay, so 1,200 doesn't look very promising, but anyways. Okay. Whoa! I actually got the car in one shot. I think I might have. Oh no! Oh! Come on, man! I thought the car had unlocked. Come on! What the hell? Come on! No, come on! This Zeruno. I don't want Zeruno. Come on! I don't want Zeruno. I want the S-Class 200. Come on! No. Okay, that's one gone. Let's see this next one. Come on, man. We started the Tuatara, but we didn't get it. We didn't get the blueprint. We didn't get the key, sorry. Not the blueprints. We didn't get the key. Oh, come on. We'll check it later. If we don't unlock it, what's the point of starting it up? Come on. Still, no luck with the key. No luck with the key. Let's try again. 20,000 tokens. I've already spent around 4,000. I've still not got the key though. I know this is a very stupid decision. In some cases, some people will say this is stupid. Anyways, let's take a break and let's just get some Rigeras. Let's see. We got 3. Oh, come on. The only one good thing I would say that some sidecars, some small cars are getting upgraded, but come on. The whole point is to get high performance cars, not these little cars. Come on. Okay, we got some Rigera blueprints. I think we can get 3 more packs because it has a limit of 30. No, thanks. Don't fall into the trap, guys. I mean, they always like target you to buy another, but don't buy it. I am not interested even. I know the Rigera is not gonna get unlocked, but for now let's just get the blueprints, get as much blueprints as we can. So it's 42. So we're gonna get just one more. So I won't be enough lucky, I think, to get another one. So that's over. Yep. So we've got 45 Rigera blueprints. I would say for now we could not unlock the Rigera, but still, it's a good shot. My main target is Tuatara. Come on. Let's get the key. Come on. Give me the key, man. Wow, we got the key! We got the key to the Tuatara! I can't believe it! We just unlocked the ultimate S-Class car! Woo! Yeah, boy! We got it! Let's unlock the car! We got it! We got the Tuatara! Oh, we just got the fastest S-Class car! I can't believe it! No thanks! Let's save up the tokens now. Now let's save up the tokens. Okay, So let me just see. I think something else also happened. That yeah, that's also this thing also. Whoa! It also started up. So yeah, let's skip it. Yeah. So we got the Tuatara. So we unlocked the SSC Tuatara, I think. Whoa, the message isn't there all for now, but I'm very happy. So we could not get the Rigera, but we did get the Tuatara, and obviously I'm gonna play the multiplayer here. And since the Tuatara has only 3 fuels, I think, yeah. So 3 blueprints. So whoa, whoa! I've got a lot of blueprints and colors here. Nice wheels. I mean, these are carbon fibers, obviously. I mean, I'm just too excited. I'm even speechless. I mean, I'm so lucky. I suddenly got the best S-Class car. I mean, I'm feeling totally lucky here. So brake calipers, let's see. Let's just brighten them. I think I'll leave them red. And whoa, no, we're not finished. No metallic, no. We're gonna go for matte here. Metallic matte, no. Let me color it my favorite color. My favorite color is blue, so let's make it blue. Single tone, please. No double tones. Whoa, it's nice. Now let's see which one. Yeah, I think this will suit it best. Whoa. Okay, so we had a very large decrease. I mean, 10,000 tokens just went away like anything. But we got the Tuatara, so I'm very happy for that. At least it was worth it. It was worth it. I'm gonna upgrade the car obviously later. I'm not just in the mood for upgrading now. I'm in the mood for racing. I mean, I still can't believe I got the Tuatara. Like, I think I opened like Tuatara 3 or 4 packs and we got it. Yeah. And I'm hoping that next time the Rigera token packs come, we'll get the Rigera too. So let's go. Let's see how this car is. I think it's 1-star maxed. I haven't upgraded it. I do have it at 2-star, but I haven't upgraded it. And I think the best thing for me to do now will be to gather as much tokens from the special event as possible. Whoa, that was narrow. I mean, I'm just happy I got the car. I mean, I don't care also now that whether I place first or last or whatever. I don't even care, because actually these last few days I've been so busy I couldn't play it. So you saw, like, this is the worst performance I've had in multiplayer. I'm still gold in both the multiplayer. So that's the worst performance till date of mine. So I'm actually not very interested in the winning the multiplayers and everything. So for this season, I'm just happy that I got the fastest S-Class car. Whoa. Anyways, 5th, but okay, it's okay with me. I don't care. I just unlocked the fastest S-Class car. I'm okay with it. Okay. But again, losing races makes you uninterested in the game. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upgrade. Let's upgrade to 2-star. I think this is the first car in which I'm gonna cross the 4,000 rank. Let's upgrade it. I have a hell lot of credits, so no problem. So I think the only bad thing is that we couldn't get the Rigera. I wouldn't have spent the Rigera tokens, but again, I knew somehow that we wouldn't get the Rigera. Anyways, I'm just happy we got the Tuatara. So just almost finished upgrading here. One more nitro part, and there we go. So that's a 2-star max rank. Okay. So it's been a long time, as I said, since I've done this talking video, and personally I'm enjoying it a lot. Like, I know that many people of you won't enjoy this, but still we unlocked the Tuatara, and that's a big achievement. I mean, I don't think every player got the Tuatara actually. So that's gonna be a very big achievement. I'm still saying the same thing over and over again. I'm just too excited that I got the car. Anyways.
Riders, right where they know. Diers, right where they want.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Singers, sing what they told.
Whoa, there's a Corvette there.
Something else to say. Secret language, speaking in tongues. Snake like tongue tied. You
I hope this is the first win of the Tuatara. Whoa, 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 yes, yes. We took that. This car turns, speeds, it's everything is smooth about this thing. But one bad thing is that if the car is so smooth, I was just going to say it's prone to crashing. It's prone to wrecking. The only one disadvantage. It's very smooth. It's fast, but that only, I mean, it's very prone to the knockdowns and everything. So we can't do the Koenigsegg Regera legendary event. Okay, still we managed to 7th. Like I said, I'm not playing this seriously, okay? I'm not playing this multiplayer seriously. I'm not bad at the multiplayers. I'm not just playing it seriously. I'm not interested in the multiplayers this time. It's not that I'm a bad driver, okay? Like don't give me comments like you're a bad driver, you just can't drive. No, I can drive. I'm just not driving it like I should. This season I'm just taking it loose. I'm gonna drive properly from next season. Like normally in any multiplayer season, when 4 days are left, I'm generally in the Legend League. But in this case, I'm in the Gold League, so you can understand. I mean, I had a lot of work. Okay, we have someone from RPM here. Let's see. But what kind of a name is this? Mara W Bicon. What kind of a name is that? And there's some, I think this guy is fake. A fake RPM also. RPM Gavar. Anyways, let's go. Okay, so we're in Rome. Why am I racing against some Vipers and why am I losing against some Vipers? Whoa! Like when I'm hitting these opponents, I'm slowing down. No. The car went slow there, totally. Come on, man, you're the fastest S-Class car. Come on. You placed 6th and 7th. That is not acceptable. At least get a podium finish. If not first, at least get a podium finish. Let's go. Let's finish it quickly. Okay, so that's 3rd for me in this race. Finally a podium finish. Okay, so RPM finished first, obviously, and I'm 3rd. I'm not playing this very seriously, so that's why. Anyways, we got a card pack. So personally, I feel that even after all these tokens went away, I think these were worth it actually. I think this was worth it actually. And let's see, I just have 22 hours around the special event, so I have to cover up there as much as possible. So I think guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, it really helps. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, stay safe and as always, keep speeding. Okay guys, see ya!